Tēnei koutou ngā hau e whā, o tangata, he tangata, o Aotearoa. Welcome everybody, you people of the Four Winds, people from overseas, and especially all of our own people from here in New Zealand. Welcome to Sweet As Ginger Beer's instructional tips and tricks on how to make perfect blend traditional ginger beer and left in the process to a standard of 4 to 5%. My name's Raki, so great to have you with me in my kitchen. Well, here's a few things you simply take. Well, we want to take our product right here, a 2 litre bottle. Well, this is a 2.25 litre bottle, standard 2.25 litre bottle. Obviously, we only use 2 litres, something in order to place the product into the bottle and a lid. So, here's where we start the process. Obviously, you put your funnel in, take our product, open the product, be careful to simply pour all the ingredients into the bottle via the funnel. Now, a real simple tip there, folks. Make sure you get all the ingredients, because this is 100% finely blended with all our ingredients to ensure that you get the best product. Once that's done, take 2 litres of lukewarm water and pour it into the bottle. Now, a little bit of spillage is okay. We just want to make sure you're getting 2 litres of lukewarm water. And already you can see the process as the water goes into the bottle with our product. 2 full litres. Oh, a little bit of spillage. Sorry about that. Even the best chefs in the world have their issues. Alright, that's 2 litres, there or thereabouts. Let's then take our lid, place it on the top. Once that's done, the idea, folks, is to make sure you get a really good mix process happening to ensure that our product is completely and utterly well mixed with the water. You want to make sure that you don't underdo this. You want to make sure 100% that it's fully done. That's around about close for me. And remember, once this is done, the process will then take 24 hours full fermentation in order to bring it to the 4 to 5% alcohol level that you so desire. Or if you'd like it to be less than that alcohol content, you could even just have it out half that time of 12 hours. It will give you about a 1%. So once this is done, fully blended, simply take the lid completely off. The reason this is being done is obviously you tighten it for the blending and for the mixing, but once you put it on, the process requires that you only put it on until it initially grabs. Don't over tighten. The reason being, the fermentation process simply takes time to work its way through, creating a gas here in this chamber of the bottle. That gas needs to escape. If you don't have that, allow for the gas to escape, what's simply going to do is this will eventually blow up and literally cover your kitchen bench with all of the goodness of our product. So just make sure if you get to it, just your first initial grab. Now folks, here's the key tip. Once this is done, you simply take it and you place it either on a windowsill where it can get a constant 15 degrees, or perhaps into the hot water cupboard. For the same purpose, you want a constant minimum 15 degrees. Now, an important tip. As the lid is just slightly on, as the process begins to take place, you should hear a hissing as the gas escapes, as the process follows through, the gas should be escaping. If you do not hear this, then the lid is on too tight. So once this is in your preferred place of fermentation, either on a windowsill or in the hot water cupboard or something close to that nature, you want to check it 3 to 4 times during the 24-hour process, just to look at this, folks, just to let the lid go a little, let the gas slightly escape, but be very, very careful. The more you open this lid, the more it will begin to froth. So just in the process, making sure you can hear the hissing take place through the process. Now, once that's done, you simply take your traditional bin ginger beer, all of our Sweet As product, fully made, place it into the refrigeration. At that point, all processing of fermentation stops. It will begin to cool down, and then, as soon as it's ready to go, you can pour it into your glass, invite your friends over, and enjoy Sweet As ginger beer. Well, I hope that's been informational for you, and I hope you've enjoyed your time with me. On behalf of us at Sweet As Ginger Beer, we'd like to say, hei konara.